If you want to change the quick settings to the control center on the Poco C85, you have to just start by opening the Google Play Store, and you have to download this application, Control Center Stable and Easy. This is the icon of this application. You have to just get it on your phone. There we go. Now we have to wait for ad. We have to turn it off, just be patient and wait a little bit. Sometimes you will don't have ad here, so we can do this faster. Click on this arrow in the right upper corner and then you have to click X. Now we have to accept all of those permissions and you have to set the language of this one. So I'm gonna set the default one. Click on this marker in the right upper corner, scroll to the left side, just like this. And now, as you can see, we have to click Start in the right bottom corner, and we have to here click Allow for some permissions. Click Next, click that we've got it. Over here, go to the downloaded apps, go to the control center, and here click on this switcher. Now we have to grant permission to get access into this one. Click on this icon on the left bottom corner and then click on OK button. Now, as you can see, when we pull it like that, we can find the control center on the Poco C85. We have to accept another permissions. Let's go back from this one. There we go. Click to go to set. Here we have to search for the control center application and click on its switcher. Go back and also for background start. Okay, we already did it, so we have to go back. Click on the protected apps and here select no restrictions. Go back. And now, as you can see, that's how it actually looks. Click that we've got it. Here we have to also select the control center and click on the switcher to accept all of those notifications. Click here. As you can see, it takes some moments to actually set it up properly. But now, as you can see, we have to click OK. And it's actually finished. We got this iOS control center and iOS theme.